Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're like me, over the holidays you might have made a ham and you got leftovers. What are you going to do with them? So I wanted to show you how to use some of your holiday ham in a great handheld. This is called a Monte Cristo. And a Monte Cristo is kind of like stuffed French toast in a way. And I've garnished this one with these raspberry preserves. So stick with me. I'm going to show you how to put this little handheld together, and I am sure your family is going to love it. Thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe. Leave some comments below. It really helps, and I want to know what you want to see me cook in the kitchen. I love cooking with all of you. And thank you so much. Now let's get busy. So this recipe was inspired by a collection of Monte Cristos by Rachel Ray. And one thing that she recommended was to decrust the bread. Honestly, the next time I do this, I'm going to leave the crust on. The idea was that the crustless bread would absorb more of the egg batter. I don't really think it would make that much difference. So I've spread 4 pieces of the bread. I'm going to do all of them, but for the sake of the length of the video, we're just going to do a couple to show you how to put this together. So the actual sandwich spread is, you're not going to believe this, sour cream with a little Dijon mustard mixed in. So you can do 1/4 cup or so of sour cream and then add a teaspoon of Dijon. If you don't like sour cream, you can use yogurt. Hey, you could use mayonnaise. It would be okay. So the layers are Havarti cheese, your holiday ham, another slice of Havarti cheese, and then top it with your bread. Now you're ready to go into the egg batter. The egg batter is simply 2 whisked eggs, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, a little dash of nutmeg for flavor, and you've got some butter melting in your cast iron skillet. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, you can actually use whatever kind of pan that you have. It'll be fine. I will tell you that the next time I make these, I won't use quite as much butter. These sandwiches ended up being incredibly rich with the butter and all of that cheese. And as an adjustment, next time I would probably only do 1 slice of cheese and about half of the butter that's in the skillet right now. So what you want to do is really not soak the bread, but you want to make sure that every bit of that sandwich has some of this egg batter on it. And make sure that your skillet is hot. Mine wasn't quite hot enough, and it's great because you're going to see what the sandwich will look like if your skillet's not hot enough. Now things are sizzling. So I'm going to go ahead and add another sandwich. Sorry about that great shot of my arm, but hey, this is real life cooking. Sure, you can use other ham besides your holiday ham. I'm just trying to use mine up, and I thought this would be a great handheld to show you how to make. But you can use deli ham, whatever you have on hand, actually. And a lot of people actually put turkey in Monte Cristos. I think smoked turkey would be fantastic. So this is the first one that I took out. It's a little bit light. Now watch this. This is what you want. This is the money shot here. Here we go. That's it. That's what you want it to look like. Nice and brown on the outside, ooey gooey and melted on the inside. So these are almost ready, and you can add toppings. You can add, for me, I used raspberry preserves. You could add maple syrup. Get creative and enjoy this sandwich. It is fantastic.